Hi, my name is Mark Jefferson Bigabilio and I'm from GCI Touch of Grace, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. At age 14, I met an accident where I lost my right arm. Because of this accident, I lost my self-esteem, which has brought me to take drugs and eventually get involved in drug dealings. All the while, as I was doing this, I thought that I would finally be able to cope with what was lost in me, my identity and my self-esteem. But instead of getting better, my situation just got worsened. My family thought that it would be best if they send me to another place where our relatives could look after me. So they decided to send me to Palawan until I was recruited to be part of a dance troupe. Little did I know that the place where we will be dancing is a private club. There has been moments where I tried to run away from my situation, but it looks like my vices have the upper hand on me. My situation of carrying a great sin sent me into despair, where I don't know where to turn or run because of the situation I was involved in. I look happy on the outside, but deep inside I feel like my whole being was in total chaos. Whenever I was alone, I would cry out to God for help to rescue me from my devastating situation. I believe that it was God who made a way for me to be able to be back to Palawan. A month after I was back in Palawan, I was invited by one of my acquaintances to an event they called Hearts Night. It was an event that was regularly being conducted by the GCI Touch of Grace every February. During this event, I was also introduced to one of the leaders in the church, who eventually became my spiritual mentor. I was invited then to a small group which they called Touch Group. In this group, I felt accepted and loved. And as I continue to regularly attend not only to the meetings of Touch Group, but also during Sunday worship celebration, I also started to understand how God loved me. As I felt the love and care of my church family, I have also felt how God held me from my past. As of now, I am deeply involved in the church dance ministry and at the same time using the same talent in dancing that God has given me in reaching out to young people. By God's grace, I was able to form a dance group called The Burn, whose aim is to reach out to young people through dancing and eventually bring them back to God. I give glory to God for all the things He has brought me into, both the good and the bad. Because of these experiences, I am able to empathize with the lost. Again, I am Mark Jefferson Gabilio. I once was lost, but now I am found. I was once operating in the forces of darkness, but brought by God's mercy into His marvelous. All glory to God.